36 and 3 over, no good. Jesse Cervantes, left side, dialed 630, taking on Bob Cook. Cook in the 77 Can-Am, dialed 967.
Bone stock 400, he told me, in a 4,100-pound car.
I believe him.
Thing's gonna leave like it's tied to a stump. The good thing it's got that big Pontiac motor in it. It's gonna pull that stump right out of the ground and go 660 feet down the beautiful Texas Motorplex drag strip.
The Can-Am is in control.
No.
Oh, no. Well, there went that. Cervantes missed the tree and puts it 3 foul under for the win. Cook